This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Brady Den Blaker. This meticulously maintained 4-bedroom home offers low maintenance and is move-in ready. The warm and inviting open living room seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining area, providing easy access to the expansive deck and patio. Main level bedroom and 3 more upstairs. The hickory wood floors add a touch of elegance throughout. Features include vaulted ceilings, a sprinkler system, walk-in closet, generator wiring, and large windows with transoms that flood the home with natural light. The 4th bedroom is large enough to be a bonus room. 3-car garage along with an attached 15 by 15 insulated and heated shop. There is also a detached garden shed. The backyard is adorned with trees and pathways leading down to a seasonal creek and fire pit. For more information, review the details below.